How to connect Google Drive with Make.com. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can connect Google Drive with Make.com. So here's what we will cover in this video. First, we will walk you through how to set up a custom Auth 2.0 connection between Google Drive and Make.com. Then we will connect your Google Drive account securely using client ID and client secret from your Google Cloud Console. So let's get started. But if you ask why we use custom connection instead of Make's default Google Drive integration, as you can see here, when I click, I get create connection. And when I don't click on this show advanced setting, it will give me this sign in with the Google. It's because client ID and client secret gives you more control, higher rate limits, and often more secure and stable, especially for long-term automation or if you're handling multiple accounts. So let's set up. Make sure you have a Google account. Just simply open your new tab and search for Google Console Cloud and hit the enter. And as you can see in the second link, click on the Google Cloud Console and you'll find this kind of interface. Now click on this top open project picker. From there you have to click on this new project. So we will create new project from here. Now give a name to your project. Let's say maker connection and hit the enter. Wait for a few seconds to create your project and select your project from notification. Now, as you can see, we are on our Maker Connection project. Now, in the left side, you will find this navigation menu. Just simply click on it, and from there, you have to choose API and services. Click on this into API and services. You have to click on this library option. So it will take you to API library where you can find your lot of APIs like Google Docs or Google Sheet or Google Drive as well. Now we need Google Drive API, so I will just simply search for Google Drive. Now click on this first link. You have three options like Google Drive API, Google Drive Activity API, and Drive Labs API as well. Now just simply click on this Google Drive API. Now as you can see here, we are at Google Drive API. Just we need to enable this API. Now wait for a few seconds to enable this Google Drive API. It will take few seconds. As you can see in the top right, you will get this bar as well. Now we have successfully enabled our API. Now let's set up auth consent screen and create credentials so that we can talk to our make.com. Now in order to create auth consent screen, click on this three navigation bar. From API services, you have to choose auth consent screen. Click on it. So it will give you something like this. Now just simply click on this get started button. Now over here you have to fulfill the information related to your project like app information. Then you have to enter your user support email address. Then you have to select audience as well. Let's quickly add some information here. Click on the next audience, choose external, because when you choose external audience, it will be available to any test user with a Google account setup. Now click on the next, just copy this and paste into contact information. Click on this next and click on this I agree to the Google API services and hit the continue and create auth consent screen. Wait for a few seconds to create. We have successfully created our auth configuration. Now let's set up a client. Now over here you have to choose client from the left side. Click on this create client and choose web application. Now from web application you have to enter your web application name. Now into authorize redirect URL you have to add the redirect URL. So I will just give you that URL into description. So you just copy and paste into here. So I have added two URL. So I will give you this into description, or you can find into Perplexity as well. Now just simply click on this create button Wait for a few seconds, and we get the client ID and client secret. Just copy this and go back to our Make. Click on this Google Drive node. Click on this create connection. Let's replace this name with first Google Drive connection. Now click on this show advanced setting and paste this client ID over here. Now let's get back and copy this client secret and paste into client secret option. Now click on this OK button. So as you can see here, we have successfully created auth 2 client IDs. Now what you have to do next is go to your audience, or you can add user as well. So like if you want to publish app, you can publish as well. So if you publish, everyone can access your app. But if you add a user over here, you can just simply give a access to uh, someone to use a app. So right now I will just simply publish this app to confirm. Click on this publish. Your app will be available to any user with a Google account. So as you can see here, our app is published now. Now go back and click on this sign with the Google account. Now wait for a few seconds and it will ask you to choose your account. Then click, just ignore this warning, click on this advanced option. Then if you scroll down a little bit, you will find this go to integromat.com unsafe. And then click on this continue button, give all access which he asks, and then continue. Now wait for a few seconds. As you can see here, we have successfully established connection between Google Drive and Make.com. So this is how you can create client ID and client secret as well. So if you found this video helpful, then subscribe to the channel, and thanks for watching.